Back to another episode of Moto Guru. I'll bet you never seen something like that.
As one commenter said, well, no point in buying lottery tickets because he used every bit of luck in his account right there.
I'm glad you're all right, man. You did some off-roading.
This happens when a girl loses her control from her bike.
Turns right here. Oh yeah, baby! We low! We low! Oh, Conson went down. Hold on. Someone went down. Oh, she's okay. She's standing up. You okay? Does anything hurt? I'm just asking.
Huh?
Does anything hurt?
Right here.
Okay.
The moment of backfire.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ride it down. Son of a bitch.
I'm not going to say anything. Let the clip speak by itself. Be aware of these kind of people on roads.
Oh fuck! Shit, you okay, bro? You right? Shit.
Luckily, both of the riders are safe. Always get aware of these kind of sandy roads. Yeah, your guess is right. This is Ambi Agusta, such a wonderful bike. Yeah, that means you're done. This clip is from Reckless Audacity when he was riding on straight highway. His friend thought something wrong.
I don't know what, I felt the bike shake.
He's so lucky that he don't lose the traction on highway. I don't get it how this happens. Can anyone explain that?
Beep.
I hope you liked that video. Comment down below guys, do you ever kind of face a situation like that, and don't forget to subscribe. That's my new channel, so please support me. Hasta la vista.